Welcome to this complete Alanya Turkey guide. Nestled on the sun-kissed Turkish Riviera, Alanya is a gem waiting to be discovered. It's a place where history whispers through ancient castles, sun-kissed beaches invite relaxation, and natural wonders beg exploration. Alanya is a perfect blend of rich culture, fascinating history, and breathtaking natural beauty, offering a cornucopia of experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. Pack your bags and brace yourself for an unforgettable journey through Alanya's top 10 attractions. First on our list is the majestic Alanya Castle, a fortress of history perched on a rocky peninsula. This monumental beauty has been standing tall since the 13th century, a testament to the Seljuk era's architectural prowess. As we delve into the castle's labyrinth of winding corridors and towering walls, it's as if we're stepping back into a time when knights and sultans ruled the land. What's truly mesmerizing about Alanya Castle, besides its rich history, is the breathtaking panorama it offers. Imagine standing at the peak of a cliff, with the azure Mediterranean Sea stretching out beneath you. The view is a vibrant tapestry of turquoise waters, verdant hills, and the bustling cityscape of Alanya. And let's not forget the castle's inner beauty. It's a treasure trove of ancient artifacts, Byzantine churches, and even a well-preserved villa. Talk about living the royal life. So when you visit Alanya, make sure you don't miss out on this historical gem. After all, it's not just a castle, it's a journey back in time. Next, we head to the world-renowned Cleopatra Beach. Imagine yourself soaking in the sun on a pristine sandy shore, the azure Mediterranean waters lapping at your feet. This beach is renowned for its crystal clear waters, which are as alluring as a siren's song, beckoning you to dive in and cool off from the Turkish sun. But the allure of the Cleopatra Beach doesn't stop at its natural beauty. There's a rich tapestry of history woven into its sands. Legend has it that this beach was a gift from Mark Antony to the Egyptian Queen Cleopatra. It's said that the Queen herself once graced these very sands, bathing in the Mediterranean's refreshing waters. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or simply someone seeking a tranquil escape, Cleopatra Beach has something for you. It's a place where history and natural beauty intertwine, creating a beach experience that's truly fit for a queen. Let's venture underground to the Damlatas Caves. Descending into the heart of the earth, we are met with an awe-inspiring spectacle. The Damlatas Caves are a treasure trove of stalactites and stalagmites, each one a testament to the millennia that have passed since the cave's formation. The air here is thick with history, and it is said to hold therapeutic properties, offering relief to those suffering from respiratory ailments. Every corner of these caves is a testament to nature's artistry. The walls and ceilings are adorned with intricate patterns sculpted by the slow drip of water over thousands of years. And it's not just the formations that make this place special. The air here, heavy with humidity and laden with beneficial ions, is said to have healing properties. As you wander through the mesmerizing labyrinth, you cannot help but marvel at the grandeur of nature's underground palace. It's a journey into the heart of the earth that leaves you spellbound, a breathtaking underground wonderland. Standing tall and proud, the Alanya Red Tower is our next stop. This octagonal marvel, a sentinel of the city, has stood the test of time. Constructed in the 13th century, it served a strategic purpose, protecting the harbor and the castle from sea attacks. Its imposing height and sturdy brickwork, tinged with a unique reddish hue, are a testament to Seljuk architecture's ingenuity and resilience. But the Red Tower is not just a silent observer of the centuries gone by. Within its formidable walls, it houses a museum that offers a glimpse into Alanya's vibrant past. As you ascend the 5 floors of the tower, each level unveils a different chapter of the region's history. The artifacts and exhibitions beautifully capture the essence of the various civilizations that once flourished here. So whether you're a history buff or simply a curious traveler, the Alanya Red Tower promises a journey back in time, a red beacon of history and culture. And next we delve into the past at the Alanya Archaeological Museum. This fascinating institution houses a vast collection of artifacts, each one a testament to the region's rich and diverse history. Imagine walking through the corridors, each turn revealing ancient coins, intricate jewelry, and pottery that has weathered the passage of time. You'll find yourself immersed in the stories of civilizations long gone, their narratives etched into bronze statues and carved into stone tablets. The museum's collection spans from the Paleolithic era to the Ottoman period, offering a comprehensive view of the region's historical journey. It's not just about the artifacts, but the stories they tell and the insights they provide. You'll see the evolution of societies, the rise and fall of empires, and the enduring influence of cultures that have shaped Alanya and its surroundings. A visit to the Alanya Archaeological Museum is like stepping back in time, a journey into the annals of history and indeed a treasure trove of the past. From history to nature, our next attraction is the Dim Cave and River. This stunning cave, one of the largest in Turkey, boasts a magnificent array of stalactites and stalagmites. It's like stepping into a natural cathedral with towering ceilings and dramatic formations that have been millions of years in the making. And let's not forget the river, a tranquil retreat that offers a serene contrast to the bustling city. Here, the water flows with a gentle, soothing rhythm, surrounded by lush vegetation that creates a canopy of green. It's easy to spend hours simply soaking in the ambience, perhaps with a picnic or a good book. If you're a bit more adventurous, you can rent a paddle boat or join a guided rafting tour. There's something for everyone, whether you're a nature lover, an adrenaline junkie, or just in need of a peaceful escape. A natural retreat right in the heart of Alanya. Now we sail to the bustling Alanya harbor. Picture this, a lively hub where the land meets the sea, a place where the rhythm of life beats in sync with the lapping of the waves. This is Alanya harbor, the vibrant heart of Alanya. The harbor is a hive of activity, brimming with boats of all shapes and sizes. From the humble fishing vessels painted in a myriad of colors to the grand yachts silently boasting of luxury, each boat here tells a unique story. And then, there are the local shops and eateries adding to the harbor's charm. The scent of freshly caught seafood grilling wafts through the air, inviting you to taste the local cuisine. The shops, meanwhile, are treasure troves of trinkets and souvenirs, each piece a memento of Alanya's rich culture and history. As the day turns into night, the harbor continues to pulse with life, its lights reflecting beautifully on the water. The pulsating heart of Alanya. We trade the sea for the mountains as we head to Sapadere Canyon next. Now imagine a serene landscape where the whispers of nature echo through the valleys and the sky merges with the peaks in an endless kiss. Sapadere Canyon, my dear friends, is just that, a symphony of tranquility nestled in the embrace of the Taurus Mountains. Here you'll find yourself surrounded by stunning landscapes that seem to have been painted by nature herself. The waterfalls cascading down the rugged cliffs create a melody that only the wilderness can compose. You can explore this haven along the walking trails that meander through the canyon, each turn revealing a new scene of breathtaking beauty. You might feel like an adventurer on a quest or maybe a poet in search of inspiration, but one thing is certain. The untouched beauty of Sapadere Canyon will leave you spellbound. It truly is an untouched piece of paradise. Lastly, we're taking to the skies with the Alanya Teleferic. This isn't just a cable car ride, my friends. It's an unforgettable journey that lifts you high above the city, granting you a bird's-eye view of Alanya's breathtaking landscape. Imagine being gently hoisted up the side of a mountain, the cityscape gradually shrinking beneath you. The teleferic is not only a fun ride, it's also a window to the stunning spectacle of nature and architecture that Alanya is famous for. As you ascend, the panoramic views unfold around you like a live painting. The turquoise sea, the lush green hills, the ancient castle, and the bustling city all lie beneath you, creating a picturesque tableau that could easily be a postcard. Taking this ride is like being part of a moving artwork. It's a visual feast you won't forget, a cherry on top of your Alanya experience. Alanya, a city that's beautiful from every angle. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Alanya's top 10 attractions. From the historic Alanya Castle to the serene Cleopatra Beach, the mystic Damlatas caves to the striking Red Tower. The treasures of the Archaeological Museum, the marvels of Dim Cave and River, the vibrant Alanya Harbor, the breathtaking Sapadere Canyon, and the panoramic views from the teleferic, Alanya has it all. Each of these places holds its own charm and unique story, so when are you planning your trip to Alanya?